Say hi, Alex.
Hi, this is...
What do you think's inside the cabbage?
He said there was a present and I want to open this.
What kind of present?
I don't know what present. What kind? A present inside a cabbage, and it's really wrapped.
This is gonna be gold. When you're 18 and we show this at your graduation. Present inside the cabbage.
Don't you dare show this to anybody.
Say that again.
Don't you? No.
Come on, give me one.
No.
You're almost there. It's right in the middle.
More wrapping paper.
More wrapping paper is right. You see it?
Yes, I see the wrapping paper.
You see the wrapping paper?
Yes!
What is it?
More wrapping.
You better let Sydney open it once you get to it.
Oh, I'm going to open it.
You better give it to her as her present. You're going to open it? Even though it's her birthday?
Yes.
Are you sure? Is that fair?
Yes.
Is that why? Isn't that her present? Are you going to let her up? What is
She
it?
doesn't care.
She doesn't care?
Cindy, do you care if I open this cabbage?
No, I don't care if you open the cabbage.
What's in there? What's inside the cabbage?
More wrapping paper.
More cabbage.
What?
What? I'm saying more cabbage. Well, you're getting close, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh, can you see it?
No, I don't see any person.
Can you smell it? Can you
Ew.
smell it?
It's not a cabbage. Wait a second.
Keep going.
There's nothing really in here.
Look, you got a little more to go.
This is stupid.
Look, you're almost there. Don't give up now. Okay, I'll do it. Can I do
No.
it? Okay. There's a time limit. You only have 30 seconds left. Or else I get to open the rest. 30. 29. 28. 27. 26. 25. 24. Okay, I'm going to open it.
No.
Okay.
Please let me open it.
Okay.
This is really wrapped.
It's wrapped tight.
Yeah.
There's